Back in this video we shall talk about unit step function. So unit step function is defined as u of uk of t is equal to 0 for k for t less than k and 1 for t greater than k. Okay, unit step function uk of t is defined as 0 for t less than k and 1 for t greater than k. So here will be the plot of unit step function. So this is time axis t and here is point 0 time 0 and here is time k. So the unit step function is 0 for time less than k and 1 for time greater than k. Okay, so let us find the equation of the graph which looks like the graph which looks like this. It is 1, it is 0. Okay, this graph is 0 for time less than 0, then it becomes 1, then it again at point k it again becomes 0, then at point 2k it again becomes 1. Okay, so let us write this function in terms of unit step function. Okay, so let us see this first function. It is 0 till time 0. This is time axis. It is 0 and it becomes 1 for time greater than 0. So it will be u 0 of t. Okay, it will be u 0 of t. There is another function. So this function again becomes 0 at point k. At point k it becomes 0. So we shall write plus u k of t. So what will be the uk of t? Let's uk of t will be like this, which is this function. uk of t will be like this. Okay, which will be 0 for less than k and becomes 1 for time greater than k. But there is something different in this function. It becomes 0 for time greater than k, and it is 1 for time less than k. So we shall write 1 minus uk of t, 1 minus uk of t. So when the function value will be, when uk of t will be 1 for time 0 then for time greater than k, so it will become 0. For when the value of uk of t will be 1, so 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, and when uk of t will be 0 for less than k, so 1 minus 0 will become 1. Okay, so let us write this function 2k. It will be same like this, 1 minus u 2k of t. Why t minus used minus 1? Because it is 0 for time less than 2k, and it is 1 for time greater than 2k, so it will not be 1 minus, but it will be simple u2k of t. It will be u2k of t. Why? Because it is 1 for time greater than t and less than 1 for time less than 2k. It is greater than 1, it is 1 for time greater than 2k, and it is 0 for time less than 2k. So it will be u2k of t. It will be u2k of t. So this whole function is written in terms of unit step function as this. Okay, so let us see another example. In which till time 0 the function is 0, and at time 0 it becomes 1. Okay, then after some time type k, it becomes 0 and remains 0 for the next time interval from up to time infinity. So it will be 0 up to time infinity. So what will be the graph of, how this function will be written in terms of unit step? So first let us divide it into parts. First part is when it is less than 0, it is 0. When time is less than 0, the value of unit step is 0, and after when time is greater than 0, the value of unit impulse unit step becomes 1. Okay, so it will be simply u0 of t. This is first function, plus after some time k, the value of its value becomes 0. Okay, its value again becomes 0. So this is the second function. When time k it is less than k, when time is less than k, it is 1. For time greater than k, it becomes 0. Okay, so we shall write 1 minus u k of t. Okay, so when u k of t will be 0 when time is greater than k. When time is greater than k, its value will be 0. Okay, when time is greater than k, its value uk of t will be 1. By this definition uk of t will be 1, and 1 minus 1 will become 0. Okay, when time is less than k, uk of t will be 0 and 1 minus 0 will be 1. So this is the reverse of uk of t, which is 1 minus uk of t. So this will be the function. This function will be written in terms of unit step like this. See you in the next video.